Okay. I think we're back here. Hold on. Let's go ahead and refresh my chat here. Bear with me. Yeah, that sucks, dude. Wi-Fi is a big problem down here. Let's see. We're gonna hop. Oh, we're gonna hop back over here. My bad, you guys. Dude, you gotta love Florida's Wi-Fi, man. It's terrible, terrible, terrible. Let's see. We are going to do something real quick. Hold on a minute, y'all. Bear with me. I love how the mods are here first. Yeah, for real. Oh my gosh,
this
dude.
tornado
Why is the
was
Wi-Fi doing this? Oops, didn't mean to do that. Why is the Wi-Fi being stupid? Like this is crazy. Bear with me for a minute, y'all. See, we're gonna have to put this up here. I am trying my hardest. I'm trying my hardest to get this to work, guys. Let's see. Okay, I think we might be back. What's up, Zen? Hope you're doing good. Glad to have you here. Bear with me for a second. This, dude, my hotspot's being slow too. So it's making everything terrible. Dude, I'm about to like scream at our internet provider. I'm about to be like, bro, because we're paying the top of the end deal too, and it's like, dude, come on. Okay, I think we're good. Let's go ahead and put our thing here and pin. There we go. Okay. So you're live. We can hear you. Good. Glad to be live here again. Okay. Anyways. Sorry about that. A little bit of a problem there. But yeah, we're back here, guys. Hope you're doing good. Let's go ahead and do that. Okay. All right, let's see here. Oh my gosh, is it still doing it? Bro, it's still having problems. Like, what the heck? See, pretty much just raining here in Florida. Yeah, not heavy rain. Gotcha. Yeah, so the rain is, definitely still continuing. We're getting a lot of heavy rainfall still across central, moving into northern Florida here. But yeah, like I said, we got to be looking out for these guys over the next little bit. So we definitely got to be looking out there for these guys over the next little bit here because, we are talking potential for a couple supercells out there. See, Griffin says, what happened? Wi-Fi. That's what happened. Raining buckets here in North Florida. Oh, yeah. No, it's same here in Central Florida, man. It's been the same thing. We've been getting a lot of heavy rainfall for the last while. Actually, we got quite a few strong storms, actually, or a couple storms out there by me right now. But, yeah. But anyways, sorry about that, guys. Dude, I tell you, Florida's Wi-Fi is absolutely terrible. Let's see. See, here in Central Florida, makes sense your Wi-Fi would be lagging. Oh, yeah. No, it's unfortunate. It's unfortunate. But anyways, let's go ahead and hop our way over back here to the main radar real quickly. So like I was saying, whenever it comes to it, we got a few storms rolling through the Tampa area here, so we definitely should keep an eye out there for those regions here. Wait a minute, I just thought of something. Okay, good. It's not connected. But yeah, so like I was saying, we got to keep an eye on there for some of these storms here because these guys are potentially supercells here. And, once this main cluster here rolls into Florida, that's whenever we got to keep an eye out there for it. Let's see. Am I using cellular? Let's see. Was it Frontier? Is that right? Frontier? I'm pretty sure. We used to have Spectrum, but they're also terrible. Let's see. Yeah, but hopefully it'll smooth sail. Anyways, but yeah, so like I said, just got to keep an eye on there for this right now. Once again, they did issue another mesoscale discussion here a little bit ago. Not too long ago, they did say that couple of supercells are possible. As they approach the Tampa area here, they did put a watch possible. They put a 40% chance of a watch being issued out there. So the odds are a little low at the moment, but they did highlight the Tampa area. So there's no immediate danger for the Tampa region right now, but we should definitely keep an eye out there for those regions, as these group of storms, do roll into the Tampa area. So we'll have to definitely keep an eye out there for that. And, like I was saying, we're starting to get kind of a line that's developing here, in which we should definitely look out there for that as well. Let's see here. Get some buoys. This one had a camera on it, but yeah, it's a little too, a little too dark for that now. Yeah, winds are starting to really increase out there. Look at that, Sarasota, 40-mile-per-hour wind gusts out there. Let's see here, Sarasota, 40-mile-per-hour wind gusts. Let's see, 37 out here near Englewood. Here's another one, 32, Cape Coral area, 25. So we're getting a little gusty out there. Same thing for the eastern side of Florida as well. We are seeing ourselves some pretty gusty winds. Look at that, 41 mile per hour wind gusts out there. It's pretty interesting. Let's see. We started getting right here in east central Georgia. Yep. Yeah, it's going to really continue across a lot of the East Coast here. I mean, it's going to get pretty hefty. Like I said, a lot of people getting a lot of rainfall from this one. I mean, all the way from, Florida all the way up even into the Northeast here. It's definitely going to be a little heavy. 3, 4, 4, 6, 5. As of now, 6, 5. Let's see here. This is in Florida. So right now you're good. Like I said, you're just getting a lot of moderate rainfall right now. You're just getting a lot of the rain of the event here at the moment. Like I said, you're in that threat for tornadoes today. You should keep an eye out there for it later tonight. Tonight there's that threat overall. But yeah, we'll definitely need to be looking out there for that. What's up, Kathy? Hope you're doing good. Glad to have you here. Hope you are doing good, my friend. You know what I'm going to have to do, guys? I think I'm going to have to run Ethernet. Probably the thing I'm going to have to end up doing here because, this Wi-Fi cutting in and out like it does, I'm going to have to do something about it. I mean, I can't obviously not do this. Let's see. Where can I send you something, Andrew? Discord? Wait, no. Send it to me on Twitter because I don't have my Discord up right now. Yeah, send me it on Twitter. Yeah, that goes to all of you guys here. If there's anything that you guys want me to look for, let's see here. Or if you guys want to send me something, send it to me on Twitter. Wow, dude, my Wi-Fi is being so slow. So slow. Absolutely slow. Let's see. Here we go. Oh, TRG sent me this. Was this from Tampa? I remember seeing a sound or a radio sonde, which was a weather balloon, simply just like an instrument on a weather balloon. Yeah, quite a photograph there, dude. Wow. It's quite interesting here too. No cape though. Like no cape on it though. Shoot. So yeah, it was from. Oh wow. Gotcha. Let's see. High shear low. Yeah. Haley, I'm doing good. Other than my Wi-Fi being a nuisance right now, but other than that, I'm okay. Like I said, I would wish it would work. I'd like to stream this for you guys. I'm gonna fight my hardest to stream as much as I can here. Let's see. Heavy rain and windy here in, let's see, Tavares. Gotcha. Yeah, you guys can start to see now that radar. Yeah, we're definitely starting to pick up a lot more stronger looking cells here. That line, we're gonna have to watch out there for that. So we gotta look out closely for this line. Also, these guys too, gotta watch out for these as well, because these definitely could spark a localized spin up tornado. Hoping not, obviously, but we definitely should keep an eye out there for it here overall. Let's see. Let's go and hop over to velocity here. So the good news right now, I'm not seeing any areas of rotation, which is great. So no immediate tornado danger right now. But once these guys roll ashore, that'll be when the main event really kicks off. Let's see here. Could supercells hit Ocala? Yes, there's a possibility they could go up towards Ocala. Considering we are in the 5% chance for tornadoes. Yeah, we got ourselves that 5% chance here. If I hop over to let's see, today's tornado probability, you can see right over Ocala, 5% chance. Let's see, it's the 17th. Oh, yeah, you're right. Yeah, earlier today I did have to, let's see here. Thanks for pointing that out. Let's go ahead and change that. There we go. Let's see. Sophia just said, "Hi, Andrew, just joined in the morning. Do you mind looking at the Cape or looking at Cape Coral? I have a friend that lives there." Let's see. So Cape Coral, current moment, just a few showers nearby, but Cape Coral should keep an eye out there for those storms we were talking about here. Like I said, you got a 5% chance for tornadoes. I mean, it's not the end of the world or anything like that, but it's something that should be monitored. Just make sure that she has a way to receive warnings. Make sure she has a way to receive warnings. Send her the link to the live stream here, because if there's a tornado warning or something like that gets issued, we're gonna let you know. But yeah, so just make sure she has that. Available. Let's see here. Pretty much stay in Augusta, Georgia, South of Carolina, which sounds complicated. Carolina, South. Oh, gotcha. Yeah, I mean, you guys out there, April, you're going to be getting a little bit of rainfall, too. Not much going on here in the Cape currently. Yeah, no, Cape Coral right now, like I said, just kind of a little bit of showers out there by Fort Myers area, just northeast of you. A little bit of showers right now, but, kind of a breaking, kind of a little bit of a break here coming up. So that'll be good. Yeah, but the main event's not going to happen until later on. Let's see. It's got another sounding Miami. Wow, now this one has some Cape on it. Mostly lower level Cape here. Yeah, dude, all these soundings coming through from Florida. Quite an impressive, photograph there. Quite a decent amount of that lower level kinematic structure. Pretty concerning. Any tornadoes in Florida yet? The main event hasn't really kicked off here. Not quite yet. Is there any chance for severe weather in Louisiana anytime soon? As of now, no. We're not forecasting anything for those regions. What about Orlando? Orlando, bunch of rain right now. But like I said, you guys later tonight has a tornado threat, so we'll have to keep an eye out there for it. Absolutely. So we'll definitely keep you guys up and aware of what's going on there. Like I was saying here, guys, what we got to look out there for now. Let's see. The main thing we got to look out here for right now is these guys. Also, like I said, a couple of those cells that are starting to kind of fire off by Tampa. Got a few storms out there in the Tampa region we should keep an eye out there for, because they're starting to kind of grow in a bit of intensity. So, let's see, Winter Garden / Horizon West. Let's see, you said Winter Garden? Let's see, Winter Garden, here we go. So right now, okay, this is just west of Orlando. So yeah, we're getting a lot of moderate heavy rainfall right now. Here coming up soon, we're going to be getting a break, as you can see all this dry air to the south. So that'll be allowing for a bit of a break, kind of more of just showers rather than consistent rainfall. But over the next several hours here, as we work our way into tomorrow morning, there's going to be that potential for tornadoes late tonight, early tomorrow morning here. So we'll have to watch out there for it. Like I said, this whole line, this is the main event right here, starting to brew on the radar here. Once that really starts pushing in, that's when the big time stuff's going to start popping off. Let's see. Will the storm cause damage? If tornadoes happen, yeah, more than likely. Also, regarding the winds on this event, yeah, more than likely. I mean, so yeah, we will see some form of damage with the storm here. 5% Tor added for tomorrow. What? Did they really? There's no way. Did they really do that? Anyway, let's see. Day 2. Is that... Wait. It's not loading for me yet. Let's see. Is it subtropical? Yeah, it's not a tropical cyclone. It is under that. Let's see. Your mind's going a mile a minute. Yeah, between Wi-Fi and between the storm. It's crazy, man. Crazy, crazy. If I had any dream job, what would it be? Doing what I'm doing. I love doing what I do. See, Bryant says Lake City, Florida. Let's hop back here real quickly. Oop. I want a little bit of feedback from you guys. Is my live stream doing better now? Is it more calm? My mom's in here. Mom, the Wi-Fi cut out again. I had to restart the live stream. I'm gonna have to run Ethernet, so we're gonna have to talk to Cody about that. Yeah, I'm gonna definitely have to run some Ethernet here because this is too much. Can't have this happen every day like it's been doing. It's ridiculous. Let's see. Well, this won't be hitting you. I will, Marcus. I'm in Central Florida right now, out in this region here. So yeah, I will be impacted by the storm here. Like I said, we gotta watch these ones here. This will be rolling straight through Central Florida, so I'll keep an eye on it. Definitely better. Good. Hopefully it stays that way. West Ocala potentially get hit by supercells. So yeah, like I said, Ocala's got to watch out there for it. We are in that tornado threat. Got to keep an eye out there for it. Yeah, Mom, the Wi-Fi cut out again. Yes, indeed. That's pretty funny. Mom, Wi-Fi's out again. That's funny. See, no, it does not have a name, Brent. Nope, no names. Like I said, this is not a tropical cyclone. Tropical cyclones get the names. Non-tropical ones don't. This is basically just a really strong low-pressure system. I mean, look at this. That's it right off the coast right here. You can see 1,002 millibars. The future now, but it was showing like 996 millibars. Pretty crazy. Let's see. See, is South Florida out of it yet? So no, South Florida should definitely still keep an eye out there for the storm here. We're definitely not done with it yet. We're gonna hop the radar in Key West for a second here. You can still see there's a lot of rain. Oh, look at that. It's kind of a strong storm out there. But whoa, I didn't even notice that. Yeah, that one radar didn't really pick it up very well. Yeah, look at this. Look at that. Quite a beefy storm out there. This is just west of Miami. Mostly over the Everglades, so it's not too populated out here, which is good, but definitely is quite a storm, it looks like. Let's see, my velocity would load. There we go. Yeah, I'm sure there's a bit of gusty winds on it overall. Let's see. Kind of odd for December. Weather is wacky. Oh yeah, for sure. Let's see. Palm Beach County here. Well, stay safe out there, my friend. Yeah, like I said, right now, we got to watch out there for it. We're not quite out of the clear yet. We're not quite in the clear, I should say. So we'll keep an eye on it. Do I ever get nervous for severe weather? Not particularly. Ever since I learned meteorology, I understand what's going on in storms rather than I used to. So it doesn't really worry me. I mean, unless there's like a big outbreak or something, then obviously I get worried for other people in it. But specifically me, not particularly. Let's see. See, it's not even that windy here. Yeah, not yet. Interior portions, like I said, is not going to see as heavy winds. Most of the winds is going to be for the coasts and those upper elevations there. Yeah, so as the system rolls through, the Appalachians out there, we're going to start to feel some pretty strong wind gusts up there in the mountain ranges here. So we'll definitely keep an eye out there for that. When I think these storms will materialize anytime now. It could at any time. That's why I went live as soon as I did, because we got a few storms popping off in Tampa. It can only take a few minutes before some of those turn pretty quick, turn pretty sour. So that's that. Let's see. I'm terrified of thunderstorms, even though let's see here. What? Yeah, honestly, I get that, though. I do get it. They're very interesting, but they're also pretty freaky, too. There we go. They just updated the day one outlook here. Let's go ahead and hop back to... Oh, let's see. That was weird. Got rid of that day one there. Oh, wow, there's that 5% there. Holy cow. Yeah, like the entire coast of North Carolina. There must have been an uptrend in the models now. Let's see here. Let's go and hop over the models. Yeah, there had to have been an uptrend here somewhere. Let's go ahead and refresh this here. Dude, my Wi-Fi is killing me. Let's see, wrap. Dude, nothing's loading, man. Nothing's loading. See, I'm used to this kind of thing. South Florida, only thing that worries me is power and flooding gear. Yeah, flooding especially out of this event here. This event's pretty hefty with the flooding. Let's see. What will be the wind gust for Thomasville, Georgia tonight? We'll probably get in Georgia out there. We'll probably be getting those wind gusts here in the range of around 20 to 30 miles an hour for a lot of Georgia. Like I said, mostly the heaviest the heaviest winds are going to be out there by the coast areas. Let's see, wrap model. There we go. Now you're working. Good. Took a minute for it to load. Let's see. Yeah, there has to have been an uptrend here. Oh, yeah, there has been. Wrap model showing good amounts of energy out there. Good amounts of energy out there. Let me grab a sounding here. This is in eastern North Carolina. Just real quick. From the wrap model. Wow, very, very straight. Very linear here. So that's interesting. So when it comes to it, I mean, there's definitely a good amount of instability there. Very questionable wind profile. Not really tornadic, I should say. Let's see. Oh, wow. Yeah, that lower level jet really dies off quick here. It almost seems like that instability, that thunderstorm fuel is not lined up with that lower level jet here. Yeah, I don't know why they actually pulled that, if that was the case. Let's try the NAM. Obviously, it's good to grab more than one in particular opinion here. So, it seems like the cap is broken. Let me grab another sounding there in the High Cape area. Oh, shoot. I lost one of my... Oh, let's see. One of my monitors cut out on me. You guys can see it right there. There we go. Yeah, same thing here. Yeah, I don't know, man. I don't know. Some of these soundings here are a little odd. They're not very supportive. Let's see here. Oh, wind speeds. What? What? I don't think I've ever seen blue in the lower level jet. Holy cow, dude. DRG, look at this. Southern New Jersey. Oh my God, gosh, southern New Jersey here. Over 100 knot lower level jet here, according to NAM. That's just a NAM moment right there. That is definitely just a NAM moment. Holy cow. Sheesh. Yeah, that's that's just utter ridiculous at that point. Holy cow. See, that's not normal. No, it's not. That's NAM though. Let's see, what does RAP show? That's 30 hours out, so RAP should support it. RAP is showing 70s and 80s. 70s and 80s. That lower level jet stream is very strong. Very, very strong there. I mean, even then, 80 knots is pretty crazy. See, 100 knots, 115 miles an hour. Yeah, no, that's definitely quite strong kinematics there. Let's see. What about the dew points? Yeah, enough moisture. I mean, we're talking mid-60s dew points. Good. It's good for the event, so it should be fine. I don't know, man. You know, like I was talking about here, it seems like the that wind shear, that lower level jet stream, and the instability don't really mix very well. Seems like the instability is over to the west and the wind shear is over to the right or the east. So, I mean, we'll see how it plays out, obviously. I mean, we'll keep an eye on it, but I don't know. We'll see. I mean, because beforehand, what I was a little unknown about, what I was unsure about, I should say, was the cap that was in effect there. Some of the models were showing a blanket, basically, of warm air that prevents thunderstorms from kicking off. It seems like the models have kind of ruled that out now, but we'll see. Let's see. Strongest hurricane in the world was typhoon tip. I want you to rethink what you just said there. The strongest hurricane in the world was typhoon tip. Let's see. Probably contaminated. What? Back on the NAM, the lower level jet there. It's just NAM, dude. NAM just doing NAM things. Never accurate model. Let's see. Do I think sunflares could have some of these? I haven't really studied actually too much on the space weather's influence on actual weather here at the ground. I know there's some things that could obviously there is some things that could influence, but I don't think it's great honestly. Let's see. But yeah, no, we'll have to keep an eye on it. But yeah, look at that line, guys. Definitely starting to become a little bit more well-defined here. See, I'm gonna hop you over here for a minute. What is going on? I think my program's a little glitched right now. So yeah, that low is really starting to kick off. You can see the central low is right here. Let's see. Oh my gosh, dude! I clicked once. I clicked once. Let's see. About Cape here. I'm actually curious to see that. Let's go ahead and turn off the SPC real quickly too. Go ahead and just get a blank canvas here. Let's see. Go west of Florida is used to it. They really are. They don't get bad tornadoes, just little ones. They can get bad ones. They can. But it's not as common as like the upper southeast out there by like Alabama, Georgia. Let's see, is that not loading? Oh my gosh, dude, I need a new mouse. See altimeter here, yeah. So the pressure is around 1,005 millibars, 1,004 out there by Tampa. It's dropping quick too. Blue just recorded 80 plus mile an hour west of Tampa. Dude, I don't know how much I trust those, honestly, because they've been showing those winds already over that. TRG, look at this. Let me turn off radar for a minute. So look at this. We have a lot of MEDAR stations here. The one that you're talking about, probably 81 miles an hour. We have another one here over Tampa, 78 miles an hour. Another one here by Cape Canaveral, 81 miles an hour off the coast there. 80. Let's see here. 84, 84. I think these are just very badly calibrated. Either that or they're just glitched heavily. We got a special marine warning just got issued for Miami area. Let's go and hop down here real quickly. We're going to turn on that radar there. Oh, wow. Yeah, look at that. So special marine warning just got issued for just off the coast of Miami here. So if you guys are out there in the Miami area, just south of Miami here in the water, shouldn't be in the water for this event at all. Everybody out in the water should be, back on land here. Shouldn't be out in it. Let's see. 80 mile per hour wind gusts for Florida is nothing. Yeah. Definitely is pretty crazy, though. I mean, it's still could definitely cause some damage. But, yeah, like I said, I don't think they're valid, honestly. Like, I believe these ones a lot. Like the 30, 40 knots. That makes sense. Yeah, that I can understand. But, when you have these random MEDAR stations showing 70, and what's really crazy is how close they are, too. It makes it a little questionable. Let's see. Eric says, doesn't affect me, but let's see here. If it spread your channel, glad to do it. I appreciate it. Thank you so much, Eric. Do I think the models are correct about winds getting to 60, 70 mile per hour after low moves about tomorrow morning? The coastal areas will definitely get some strong winds. I wouldn't say that high up in the 80s. Or you said 60, 70. Yeah, no, that I think is possible out there by the, coastal areas. As this thing rides up the East Coast, yeah, I do see that being a good possibility. Because that's actually what the models have been kind of hinting towards here for the last little bit. Let's see here. So, yeah, we got to really look out there, guys, for what I'm a little concerned about actually is North Carolina's coast. That's actually what I'm actually pretty concerned about because, look at this here. We're going to have those winds slamming. Right on the shore here, right on the shore. And we're talking like 40, 45 knots sustained too, which, that's going to obviously have higher gusts with it. So, whenever it comes to it here, for sure. If you live out there on coastal North Carolina, we should definitely keep an eye out there for it. Let's see. Got McDonald's for lunch. Okay, nice. Let's see here. This is the cool time of the year, too, for Florida. If the power goes out, it won't be too hot. That's true. That's very true. Very, very true. Yeah, it's not too bad out. But, yeah, no, we definitely do got to keep an eye out there for the Carolina coast, really. It seems like Georgia's coast, according to NAM, though. Obviously you'll probably get some strong winds, but it seems like a lot of those heavier winds is going to be mostly aimed towards the Carolina coast here, North Carolina coast, so we'll have to keep an eye out there for it. Let's see, models are still getting worse for Atlantic Canada, up to by the coast of Nova Scotia. Yeah, we'll have to keep an eye out there for that. Can have my first tornado drill for northern Missouri, March 6th. Gotcha. It's a little ways away, though. All right, see you later, TRG. Thanks for joining, man. Appreciate it. I'd appreciate it. But yeah, like I said, we'll have to watch out for this. Let's see. We're going to hop up to... didn't mean to grab a sounding there. Going to hop up to the northeast here. Yeah, even coastal areas out there by, like Long Island, Massachusetts, Cape Cod area. And look at that, coastal Maine. Easily 40 knot sustained winds, well in the gale force there. Pressure, according to the models, really drops here. Also for, like Nova Scotia there, like we were talking about, 40, 45 knots of wind shear, 40, 45 knots of sustained winds at the surface or the ground level is going to likely occur. So that in itself is pretty interesting. Let's see. Yeah, so we also got to look out there for the 850 millibar winds here too. The reason why is because you can see these mountaintops here. The pressure, the altitude of 850 millibars reaches the tops of those mountains there for the most part. So we are going to be seeing some pretty strong winds, and you can really see those highlighted there across, the Blue Ridge, Appalachian Mountains here, through the Smoky Mountains, and into like northern Georgia, where the Appalachians start to kind of thin out there. But yeah, for sure, we'll have to keep an eye out there for it. Let's see. This is just one of those annoying things that coastal. Let's see. South borders deal with. Yeah, for sure. I mean, it's mostly big coastal impact area. Big coastal impacts here that we got to look out there for. But just gotta keep an eye out there for it overall. Let's see. How does Delaware look for tomorrow? Let's see. Delaware. So, yeah, no, those winds are definitely gonna be cranking out there as well. Let's see, lower level winds here. Not as crazy. About 30, 35 knots just off the coast there. So, could be a little gusty. A little gusty overall, but once again, that's sustained winds there too. So gusts are obviously gonna be a little bit higher out there. So we'll just have to keep an eye out there for it. All right, we're gonna hop over here back to the radar, y'all. But yeah, we'll keep an eye on that. I think I have cameras too I can look at too. Let's see. Ooh, we got a storm out there by Naples. South of Naples starting to pop off here. Let's see if we can get some cameras on that actually. Let's see. Dude, is this program not working? Let me refresh this real quickly. Oh my golly. Bear with me for a minute, y'all. Here we go. Yeah, we do got some cameras out here by Naples. Okay, we're going to load the main screen here with the camera. Oh my gosh, that does not line does not line up at all. Let's see here. I can make it line up though. We're good. We're good. Let's go ahead and put that there. That should. Oh my gosh. No, that's not what I want to do. Dude, this crazy, man. Crazy. Here. Hold on. Dude, my setup is not liking me right now. Let's see, there we go. Cape Coral. That there. Okay, I think that's all I can do. All right, let's go and hop back over here real quickly. Hold on. Trying to get it, y'all. Okay, that's the best I can do. It's the best we can do here for the camera. But yeah, no, we'll keep that up there so you guys can see what's going on. But yeah, that's actually out there by Naples. Got a bit of a storm popping out that way. And it's actually going northbound too. So yeah, this camera's about to get hit here by the storm. Don't see any rotation on that, which is good. See, I lived in Indiana. We got tornado warnings there. To Florida, tornado warning. I called the campground office. Asked where to go to shelter if and they left. Let's see. Yeah, so it looks like Tampa's starting to come to a clear here for a minute, which is good. That'll allow for things to calm down a little bit. Yeah, but that line there, that's something to watch out for sure. You know, that line's actually getting it's getting closer. Let's see here. Yeah, dude, Meso now, yeah, right now that low is right here at 1,002 millibars. 1,002 millibars is where that low is at right now, so... and like I was saying here, we work our way down in time here according to the RAP model. It shows that pressure diving down into the upper 990s by the time it makes quote-unquote landfall. See, Naples needs the rain right now. A lot of West Florida needs it, especially out there by like Tampa. Let's go and do an analysis here. Wow. Yeah, it looks like that low-level jet's there about 45, 50 knots. Pretty strong. Let's see. Yeah, pretty strong out there, it looks like. Let's see, thermodynamics here too. Yeah, instability still relatively, relatively low throughout Florida, but that is going to, yeah, that's gonna really start to build in the region here over the next couple hours. And once that happens, that's whenever the big stuff should start popping off here. So, like I said, yeah, things are starting to kind of clear up here down in the south side. As you can kind of tell, there are a lot of scattered showers and stuff like that. So, allowing for breaks in the rainfall to occur, which could allow for some cell organization. As not literally every other place is hogging all that instability and all that stuff. So, but anyways, see. They never F5. So, Florida has had an F4 tornado before, an EF4. Not an F5 though. Okay, we're gonna hop back to Miami's warning here. So yeah, Miami, we got a special marine warning that's out in place here, just off the coast of Miami here. See velocity on it. So yeah, we're talking water spouts, and wow, look at that, water spouts and wind gusts to nearly 50 knots. So we'll keep it out there for it. Rain says, as you can see, the storms have been struggling. Well, it hasn't really kicked off yet, Rain. The event still has yet to kind of happen. I mean, for an example, look at this. Here's mesoanalysis. You can see that instability is just now starting to get into southern Florida. Over the next 2 hours here, that instability is going to start reaching up into central Florida. So, wouldn't really say it hasn't. I wouldn't really say it's struggling too much quite yet because, the main stuff hasn't happened yet. See, weather's picking up in Clearwater. Yeah. Let's see here. Clearwater right now. Yeah, north of Clearwater, we got ourselves a bit of a storm actually out there by like Palm Harbor area. Clearwater looks like it is getting a little bit of light moderate rainfall. But it looks like we're about to get a break there too. But watch out, like I was saying, for that line here that's approaching. That's one of the main things we got to keep it out there for. So, yeah, just be careful. Let's see. Isn't it crazy when Florida gets hit, like the majority of the state? Oh, yeah. Yeah, whenever Florida gets hit, most of the state gets hit, pretty much. I mean, Florida, gets a lot of tropical and, non-tropical storms out there. So, it's pretty common for these areas, honestly. But with that being said, you should still not take it, or you should not take it seriously. You got to take it seriously. That's what I'm trying to say. Let's see. Let's see. Court, are you good? Oh, Court's getting off. All right, good night, Court. Why does this storm look like a dinosaur? What? How do you see a dinosaur? That? Like legs and tail? I mean, maybe. Yeah, that line, that tail that we were looking at there, that's like the main front starting to develop here. I wish we had like access to the ship radars out there. That would actually be pretty cool. Because I'm sure there's boats out there, which they probably shouldn't be, considering how bad conditions are going to start getting out there. But yeah, that would be pretty neat if we could. Let's see here. Gonna hop back to Naples here, y'all. Let's see. Actually, we're gonna jump over here. Yeah, Naples is starting to get this one storm here. We're gonna pull up some cameras here for y'all. Yeah, it looks like it is starting to come down pretty good now at those regions. Let's see, we're gonna load up that video. There we go. Looks like a T-bone steak. They kind of do, actually. It's like a big, yeah, big T-bone steak. Man, you're making me hungry now. Is there a lot more rain coming to the Sebring area? Let's see. Florida. Okay, yeah. So you're kind of down there in the south central side, Florida. It's still going to be quite on and off. You're not going to get as consistent rainfall as we've been seeing here earlier. So from now on, it's kind of more scattered for the next several hours out there. So you're not quite done yet, but a few more showers are expected. Big tomahawk steak. That sounds good, man. You're making me hungry here. Let's see. Someone's got their hazards on that camera. Let's see. We're going to hop back over here. Conditions might be that bad. Well, they got their hazards on. They break down. I don't know. It does look pretty hard to see out there. That car doesn't have theirs on. Probably just playing it safe, I guess. Yeah, like I said, that's down there in Naples right now, y'all. So at the current moment, it's not too crazy, but things are starting to kind of pop off there. Let's see. Let's go ahead and hop down to the Keys for a moment. Let's see. Is that storm near the Land O'Lakes, Florida, rotating? Let me look here in a second. Let's see. Key West got some storms to the south and north. Let's see. You said Land O'Lakes. Oh wow, it's quite a storm over there. Like right in here. Let me pull that up on my my higher resolution radar here. Yeah, I think it is actually. Yep, right in there. It looks like there might be a little bit of rotation out there by Land O'Lakes and see Drexel. So we'll have to definitely watch out for that there. Yeah, even storm relative velocity. So yeah, keep an eye on that cell, guys. Good point that out, man. Yeah, definitely. It looks like it is rotating a little bit. Wouldn't be surprised if they did pull a warning for that actually. Yeah, it seems like it's just now starting to kind of kick off here too. Let's see. What's up, Kayla? Hope you're doing good. What's the best app to subscribe for radar? My boyfriend wants to get us one, but what's your thought? Radar Scope. It's $10 on the App Store. I use it for mobile. That should do the trick for you. So we're gonna hop back here. Yeah, like I was saying, out there by Miami too, we got a couple of some pretty strong storms. It looks like. Don't see any rotation on them, which is good. So yeah, right now they're not rotating, which is great. Is it safe to take a hot bath, Lake County, Florida? Yeah, you're good right now. You're good for now. Let's see. Got a lot of rain in Minnesota. Still raining. Gotcha, Sophia. Can tell you the same down here in Florida, Central Florida. We can get a lot of rainfall over here. It's been quite rainy. Quite rainy. Let's see. Yeah, we got to keep an eye on this one cell out here, y'all. This one is, let's see. I just realized this is like 40 miles from me. What's up, Caden? Is there a subscription service? So there's a one-time pay for $10, and then there's if you want the extra perks that they add, there's just different subscriptions and stuff. But that's up to you if you want to get that app or not. I mean, it's good. There's a lot of good other apps out there, but that's just kind of like I think Radar Scope is the best in my opinion. That's what I started out on, anyways, back in the day. All right, good night, Gaden. Thanks for joining. Yeah, there's definitely something going on in that storm there. So once again, this is out there by Drexel. I think that was pretty sure that was lightning on that camera there. But yeah, out there by Drexel and Lando Lakes here. Yeah, it's that area right there. It's kind of hard to see sometimes, but it's kind of where I got my eyes on right now. Yeah, like I said, it's really these guys we got to start watching. Just kind of like individual storms and stuff like that we got to keep an eye out there for. Sorry for not being here long. Very tired. Oh, I hear you. I'm very tired as well. So, but I promise you guys I'd be here for you, and I want to be here for you guys. So, gonna stay up as long as possible. Ooh, let's see. Yeah, that instability is starting to work its way towards Central Florida now. It's mostly the southern side on the meso-analysis that we have that instability there. Shoot, y'all got to stop talking about food. You're going to make me hungry. So the individual storms bring tornadoes? They can, yeah. Those are the ones that has the greatest probability of doing that. Yeah, you can see how there's a lot of spacing now between a lot of these storms here popping off. I have no idea, Rain, how many flights have been canceled. Not too sure. Don't really have a way of looking at that. Let's see what I can look at, those power outages. That's what I want to see. Yep, Florida's already starting to have some power outages here. Oh, wow. Hamilton County, look at that. Way up north, apparently, has lost a lot of power. The density, anyways, I should say. At least 10% of the area lost their power. Which, yeah, Florida in general has lost about nearly 30,000 people without power in the state. And I do expect that to continue to rise here. What's up, Norway? Yeah, we'll keep on updating that here. We'll look at that here in a little bit here. And we'll see it update. I think I hear some trash barrels being blown around in Naples. Wouldn't surprise me. It's kind of quite a strong storm out there. Let's see, we're gonna hop back to this real quickly. Actually, I'm gonna change the camera here to one of these ones here. Oh, there we go. That's a good camera, actually. Oh, there's that. Yeah, that was lightning there. Yeah, that's the thing. What is going on here? Like, what is? Let's see. There we go. What's going on with this road? First of all, I just have to mention what's going on with this road here. Let's see here. Day traders a threat over here in 33841. More than likely not. Yeah, no. Florida's threat still in effect here. You're good. You're still there. When it comes to it, though, like I said, you're in a little bit of a dry slot right now, so a little bit of a break in the rainfall. But this is the main event starting to brew here. So this is what we got to look out there for. Wow, look at that line, dude. I think it's really starting to get pretty big. So you ready to go to bed? I hear you, man. I am too. I am as well. That's giving me OCD. What, the camera? The camera's giving you OCD? Just take a moment to appreciate how great frame rate this camera is having right now. Easy 60 FPS. Like, that is spot on. See that road? Dude, it's weird. It's an odd road, man. Look at that. It's definitely... I don't think I've ever seen a road like that. Nobody's taking it either. Yeah, they see the lightning flash out there? So, once again, y'all, that's actually in Naples. We're getting, according to 30-mile-an-hour wind gusts right now. Could see some real nasty gusts on the squall line. Yeah, that is a thing. That's also another thing. The SPC, Storm Prediction Center, they put out a 15% risk for damaging wind gusts, too. So, that's something we got to look out there for. Where's the camera? At Naples. Naples, Florida, which is right down here. Pretty far South Florida. Maybe that's thunder I'm hearing? Could be. Oh, yeah, that's actually true. Probably not trash bins. Yeah, it could just be the thunder out there. All right, let's hop back to this radar for a minute. Let's go ahead and hop over, see what's going on velocity. Still could be a little bit of rotation in that. My color table is not the best, honestly. I'm going to change that before the next event here. Yeah, we also, like I said, it's not only the line that we need to look for, it's also these guys in front of it too. Like I said, these ones we got to keep an eye out there for sure. Also, Miami, like I said, right now we are seeing a special marine warning in effect here for winds nearly up to. Let's actually go full back over here. Yeah, but winds nearly to 50 knots. Pretty gusty out there. So I did it earlier and it was a trash bin. You gotta watch those trash bins, y'all. There we go. Radar's finally loading there. So let's. Oh wow, look at that little shrimpy. That might even be a supercell there. Yeah, look at that. It's a weak mezzo on it, dude. That's like a micro shrimpy supercell there. Just off the coast of Miami. Look at that. That has got to be the smallest supercell I think I've ever seen. Dude, that is actually kind of... It's a cute little supercell. Good news is it's off the coast, so that's great. But it's got a little hook echo, too, on it. Look at that little baby supercell. Look at that. Look at that little dude. Little mezzo there, too. Got your forward flank downdraft right here. You got your RFD coming behind. Dude, look at that. It's a baby cell. Little shrimpy boy. Little shrimpy. It's not a supercell. It's oh shoot, what should it be? What's the nickname for it? I don't know. It's just a shrimpy boy. Shrimpy cell. But yeah, like I said, it's off the coast. I mean, there's a good shot that this actually could produce some water spouts on it. This whole warning here is just for that guy. It's pretty interesting. Yeah, they haven't edited that warning in a while either. Let's see here. Dustin! Thank you, dude, for becoming a tropical stormer. Greatly appreciated. Thank you so much, man, for becoming a member. Very sweet of you, man. Appreciate that. Let's go and hop to camera. Looks like some activity starting to happen here. Looks like that storm is starting to roll into that area there. My windows are shaking. Something's brewing. Yeah, be careful, Christy. Make that a shirt. I could. Oh, dude, that could be like the 2023, 2024 shirt. Little shrimpy boy. But once again, Dustin, man, I appreciate that. Thank you for the Tropical Storm membership. You rock, dude. Oh, look, someone's actually using the road. That's a first. Yeah, but the rain's definitely starting to come down here as well. I do need to do a members only live stream here soon. Once this event cools down, I might do a members only live stream for you guys. It's very foggy here. Not in Florida, is it? I'm about to say in Florida it's not. It's very soaking wet here in Florida. Let's see. How's Vero Beach looking? Let's see. Let's see. Vero Beach, maybe. Let's see. Winds. Oh, we're actually getting some winds gusting up to 40. Pretty gusty out there. Looks like you're getting kind of a little bit of a break from rainfall currently. So right now you're good. It's a little windy out there. But yeah, keep it out there for those storms here later tonight. See, I'm gonna hop back down here for a moment. We need a radar out there by Naples. Actually, that would be pretty useful. Yeah, I mean, it looks like mostly just a bunch of moderate rainfall here. Let's see. We're gonna hop back to this camera hop back to. Actually, we'll bring up the camera here too. There we go. It's not really overlaying very well. Yeah, I don't see too much problems with that right now. Yeah, it looks mostly just like a bunch of rainfall out there. Just a little windy, nothing too dropping it. Yeah. Let's see. It looks like that one we were watching, that one cell out there by Lando Lakes here. This little guy looks like it kind of died out a little bit. Yeah, definitely has lost a lot of its core there. So that's good. That's good. Looks like could be on a awakening trend there. But these guys are starting to get a little closer. To the Tampa area. Yeah, that's what we got to really look out for. The event's going to really start to kick off once that line rolls through, and it's going to start throughout like Tampa and stuff like that. So keep it out there for that. Christmas lights on radar. Let's see. What's up, James? How many tornadoes so far? None as of now. But like I said, the event hasn't really had a chance to really start amplifying yet. Looks like Fort Lauderdale is actually getting a pretty good storm right now, actually. So to the people out in Fort Lauderdale, little rainy out there right now, but not a whole lot. What's going on with our little shrimp boy? Little shrimpy cell here. Yeah, still shrimping around. Still doing the shrimp. East of Fisher Island. So yeah, as long as that thing stays out at sea, we're good. I mean, obviously, yeah, then that's always a threat for like water spouts and stuff like that. So I mean, boaters, they shouldn't be out in the first place. I mean, if you're out in the water at this point, not very smart, honestly. So go to port immediately. Yeah, you don't want to be out in this, y'all, because we're talking gale force winds out there and very choppy waves and stuff like that. It's only getting worse too. Because this thing's literally only strengthening as of now. It's not weakening. It's not hovering. It's strengthening. So if the Cape levels were a bit higher, would this be a greater potential day? Yeah. I mean, yeah. If there was more Cape, then there would be more potential, of course. Let's see. Gonna hop up by Tampa here for a minute. We're gonna change on back to the radar here. Yeah, it looks like Tampa's in a break for now, but the main event's gonna be crossing through here soon. So we will keep an eye out there for it. Oh, look at that. Out there by St. Augustine, south of that, out there by like Summerhaven, Marineland, as well as Hastings, we're getting wind reports of 43 to 48 mile per hour winds there. That's up there by south of Jacksonville, actually. It's It's like northern Florida. Yeah, the winds are definitely starting to crank out there. St. Augustine Beach, we're having 73. Like I said, I don't trust those weather stations out there. I mean, there's a lot of them showing over 70 knots. Shoot, that wasn't even in the forecast. I mean, I don't trust that, honestly. Am I gonna be on tomorrow? Yeah, probably. So you just got here. What's up? Not much. Just watching an event roll through. Like I said, the big stuff's gonna be happening here pretty soon. It's also these guys down south we should keep an eye out there for as well. But anyways, but yeah, guys, I tell you what, we're gonna take a 5-minute break here. Got to run to the bathroom real quickly, so let me be right back. Don't go anywhere. Like I said, hang tight, grab a snack, grab something to drink while you're at it, and then come back to the stream. By the time you get back, we should be almost ready to come back here, if not back already. But all right, y'all. Well, we're gonna take a 5-minute break here. We're gonna switch over here to the pausing screen. We're gonna keep the camera up there for you. Let's go and see. We're gonna add that there. We're gonna add the camera or the radar there, I should say. So we'll have it all there for you guys. But yeah, just give us 5 minutes, guys, and we will be right back. Okay, guys, catch y'all in a few. Alrighty, guys, we are back here. Sorry about that. We're just gonna take a quick little break there. Anyways, we're back. Hope you guys are doing good. Let's go ahead and see here. Let's see. What time's the main cold front going through? So the main cold front is going to be rolling through here. Let's go ahead and actually bring up the models. I do want to bring those up actually real quickly. Yeah, we haven't looked at the models here in a little bit. When it comes to it, though, according to the NAM 3K, let's give it a second here to load. Give it 2 seconds, but it kind of shows, you know, it does kind of show that initial line kind of rolling through here right around. I mean, it's kind of hard to tell about the NAM, but it does show within the next 1 to 2 hours or so. Let's try the HRRR. Might be a little bit better to go off of here. Yeah, I mean, honestly, the models don't really pick up on that line too much, which is pretty interesting out there. Yeah, so definitely it's pretty interesting. Let's see. Whoa, we're getting a pretty strong wind report coming through from Sarasota. Look at that. Wow, 52 mile per hour wind gusts out there. Holy cow. That's actually crazy. That is actually kind of crazy. 52 mile per hour wind gusts out there. I think that's the biggest one we've seen so far. Let's see here. We've seen 36. Yeah, 36 sustained out there. Pretty hefty. Let's see. I'll check out there by my area. 26 miles an hour. Not too bad. Let's see here. Venice, 35 mile per hour wind gusts out there. Gotta keep it on those wind speeds, y'all. Let's try Key West. 32. 51 mile per hour wind gusts. Yeah, it looks like those winds are starting to amplify here, since it looks like that storm system is starting to drop in pressure a bit too. So let's go ahead and bring up the observations here. Or sorry, the sea level pressure. Oh yeah, look at that. So the new meso analysis here has it cranking right at 1,000 millibars. So that pressure is about to drop into 990s. Oh dude, yeah, pressure's rapidly dropping in Tampa too. Look at that, Sarasota, 1,007, 1,006, 5, 4, 3, 2. Yeah, the pressure is dropping quick here. That was within the last, last 5 hours. So pretty crazy. Let's see. What's up, Sonic? Hope you're doing good. Yeah, but you can see that how there's more isobars starting to form here, meaning the pressure is actually dropping. And this thing will be making quote-unquote landfall within the next 6 hours. But the tornadic stuff like that could start at any time, really. Let's see here, Fort Lauderdale. Look at that. Ooh, got a strong gust on that storm. 41, pretty strong. Let's see here, Pompano Beach. What is that? Pompano. 32 on that one. Sustained of 17. This one's sustained of 31. Sustained of 31. So definitely getting a little windy out there. This is actually north of Fort Lauderdale. Got that one storm popping through. I'm just going to hop back over here for a moment. Still got a little shrimpy cell out there. Not doing a whole lot though. And they did cancel that marine warning that was out there. Yeah. So that marine warning is no longer in effect here, which is good. Let's see here. So it looks like Boca Raton, or however you say that. However you say that. Somebody mentioned that to me yesterday, how you pronounce it properly. But yeah, it's heading out there towards that region. James says pressure dropping. Let's see. The pressure dropping, is that bad? So that means if the pressure drops, it means the storm is strengthening. And we've been seeing rapid strengthening with this storm here last couple hours. Any updates with the surge expectations? Not really. No, we don't really have that available since it's like, yeah, usually the Hurricane Center, they put out graphics for tropical cyclones, but we don't have any graphics for the storm surge, but at least a couple foot out there, especially, like I said, the heaviest surging would be out there along the coast of North Carolina, actually. Boca Raton. Boca Raton. Raton? Let's see. Raton. Oh, Boca Raton. It's very fancy. Has a nice little little kick to it. Let's see. Boca Raton. Raton. Interesting. All right, let's see. Sarasota got a, wow, wind barb here. Mid-hour data showing 45 knots. 45 sustained out there, actually, looks like. Let's go ahead and see if I can pull that up on this mid-hour here. Yeah, that's the one on Sarasota. Yeah, 52. That's the one with 52 mile per hour wind gusts here. Dew points upper 60s. So yeah, a lot of that moisture. Like I said, I've noticed since I've been out earlier today. If you don't know, like I said, I'm located in Central Florida here, south of Orlando. So I mean, literally like Central Florida here. So earlier today, when I was outside, it was like 50 degrees, 50, 60. I mean, actually, it was probably in the upper 40s, mid 50s, honestly. It was a little chilly. It was actually a little chilly. And now, when it comes to it, it's gotten a lot warmer. A lot warmer. Let's see. You can't say my town. What? Your town? Shoot. What was your town's name? I forgot about it. You're up in Oklahoma. Let's see here. Hold on. Blackwell? Right? Let's see here. Sully says winds on Anna Maria Island. Let's see here. Maria, Florida. Let's see what's going on over here. Yeah, we don't have any MEDAR stations out there, but, oh, hold on, let me actually, yeah, we don't have any directly there, but we have the one near Sarasota, which it did get pretty gusty, it looks like. We had temps in the 40s, 50s in Northwest Ohio. Yeah. Let's see. Yep, gotcha. Too tired. Yeah, I agree, John. I definitely agree. The GFS says storms is behind the one, which storm's doing something weird, almost unrealistic. What? The GFS? Let's go and hop to the models real quickly, y'all. See what you're talking about. Is there another system after this you're talking about? Yeah, anything past this is kind of a little too far to look. What's going to happen immediately after the system rolls through is high pressure is going to build into the region, so it's going to leave the southeast pretty dry for the most part. It's going to end the overall rainfall and stuff. Let's see. If you're talking about this one before Christmas, possibility, but still a little unknown right now. Other than that, I don't see too much. Also, to my Ohio Valleyan people, for the people out there in Ohio Valley, keep an eye out there for some lake effect. Actually, like Ohio, West Virginia, Pennsylvania, New York State, could see a bit of lake effect snow as the system rolls through. You know, it's actually what's going on here is it's actually dragging a lot of cool air down from the south. You know, coming well up from the north here. Let's see. 70s out in the GFS though. Yeah, I mean a little far. Yeah, if that's the one you're talking about just before Christmas, I mean the Euro talks about it too. This guy, Euro talks about it too. I can show you real quickly, but it's very different. They're both a little unknown still. Let's see. This will load. Hello. There we go. Yeah, there it is right there. We'll see. We'll see what happens. Power just turned off for a few minutes. Back on the lightning kick. Oh, wow. Stay safe out there, lady. Thought you were like 22. Who? Me? Or Catman? Oh, Catman? Yeah. About to say, I'm going to be 22 in April. So, yeah, we're going to hop back over here to main radar here. All right, let's go ahead and, oh, wow. I'm starting to notice some growth happening down in southern Florida with these guys. Yeah, we got to start getting our eyes on southern Florida here. Yeah, some of these guys could easily pop off. Let's see. Lower level analysis here, 850 millibars. Yeah, still 40, 50 knots of lower level shear here across 850 millibar height. So that's, what is that height exactly? I'm going to figure that out for you, what that height is. Random sounding. Random sounding, just to check on the height. So 850 millibars, that is right at the 1.5 kilometer line. Let's see here. So, yeah, about 5,000 feet up. Yeah, about 5,000 feet up we're talking. So, winds are screaming 5,000 feet up to the north here, which is good for tornadoes, actually. I hate to say it, but it is. And, of course, you know, we have the instability down here, too. Let's see here. If I can, oh, there we go. So yeah, the instability is down here too. You can see on the red line here, everything south of the red line, that's where the instability is there. So, you know, some areas upwards of 1,000 joules per kilogram, you know, 500 to 1,000 across South Florida. So that's doable. Yeah, like I was showing the winds here though, 5,000 feet up. You know, we're talking northerlies at around 50 knots, which a triangle is showing 50 knots there, so about 55 miles an hour. So that means that tornadoes are in the works, potentially. Let's see. Joyce says, hi, Andrew. Will things get bad in Miami Beach overnight? So Miami's got to keep an eye on this event here, you know, especially after some soundings. So they launched weather balloons, and the information they got from them was pretty interesting. Still got to keep an eye out there for Miami. Like I said, we got to watch out for these kind of individual cells here, as some of them could go tornadic. I think most of your rain is over with, but you can definitely still experience a bit of rainfall out of those, you know, heavier storms that could roll through tonight. So be careful. Right now, winds are in the 20s. So let's see. Is it safe? Say, dang, it's safe for me to go to bed. I don't want my roof flying off while I'm sleeping. I hear you. I hear you. Just make sure you have a way to receive warnings. Like I said, if you don't, I mean, obviously it's a little late now to get a weather radio, but if you have a weather radio, turn it on. Make sure you get those warnings. Test out your radio, make sure it's all in working order, and leave it on. And then you can go to sleep. Just make sure it's next to you. And if it goes off, then obviously, yeah, then go for there. But anyways, let's see. It's unusual to have a storm like this in December. It feels similar to a tropical storm here in St. Augustine. Yeah, it's kind of similar to a tropical storm, although it's not, you know, because tropical storms and this system, they form differently. Tropical systems use the warm waters to really amplify themselves, but there's really not that warm of waters anymore out here, so just kind of a strong area of divergence. So a big split in the jet stream aloft, so up in the air. But yeah, I mean, honestly though, they do form a bit differently. Let's see. I mean, it can be unusual. Yeah, I mean, it's not too common per se, but it's not the most rare event ever. I mean, it is rare. Yeah, it's pretty rare, but it's not like once in a lifetime type of storm here. See, that line of golf looks pretty narrow. Do I think it might produce a bit more? We'll have to see how it, you know, I really want to see as that line gets closer to the radar here, because we're still several thousand feet up in the air we're scanning. It's also these guys. Like I said, we got to watch out for these ones too. Keep an eye out there for it. But yeah, but you can see behind the line, there's not a whole lot going on behind it. We'll keep an eye on it. Let's see, what's the states involved? Literally, like the entire East Coast here: Florida, Georgia, North South Carolina, Virginia, Maryland, Delaware. Let's see, New Jersey, Pennsylvania, New York, Vermont, New Hampshire, Maine, Massachusetts, Rhode Island, Connecticut. A lot of areas. So it's going to be working its way all the way up here. Tip Top says, great. Definitely worried when Wilmington, North Carolina got ratio 5% for tornadoes. It did. Yes, it did. 5% chance. So just make sure you're weather aware out there. Keep an eye out there for it. We just got a new warning, new special marine warning out there. Out there by Boca Raton. However you say that. I'm never going to get it right. But yeah, I got a special marine warning out there, including... Yeah, it's just north of Fort Lauderdale. Guessing waterspouts. Yeah, waterspouts, wind gusts nearly to 50 knots. 50 knots. Let's see. Rhode Island is where I live, but won't be back there until 27th. Gotcha. Tiny tropical storm, I imagine. It's not the size of the difference. I mean, it's relatively a similar. It does have some very similar traits to a tropical storm. Like I said, you got a lot of rainfall, got some tornadoes, cyclone-induced tornadoes being a threat, strong winds, coastal flooding, pretty much the same impacts as a tropical storm would have. But it's just the way that they develop is different. Let's see. Eric says, why am I watching South Florida? I live in North Central Alabama. It's good to care about people. Yeah, I mean, just like, for example, I mean, you know, whenever it comes to these events here, I mean, I cover states that's not mine because, you know, I just want to help out as much as possible. I appreciate you hanging out with us, though, Eric. You know, it's greatly appreciated. That goes to all of you guys. I mean, even if you're not directly impacted, you guys watching helps YouTube push it out. You know, like I said, even if you, you know, didn't want to pay attention to it or didn't want to watch this, I mean, you know, you could share this to your friends and family who might know somebody who's in Florida that's getting impacted. So, you know, but regardless, just I appreciate you guys. Yeah, much love to y'all. So, you know, like I said, just gonna have to watch out for it. Yeah, but that line is getting closer. We're getting closer to, you know, getting closer here to the Tampa area. So keep an eye on it for sure. Let's see, St. Petersburg, 32 mile per hour wind gusts out there. Sarasota, 52 mile per hour wind gusts at 1:42 a.m. So that was, let's see, about 14 minutes ago. 14 minutes ago. So, yeah, a little bit ago. A little bit. Let's see. Could this system generate supercells? Yeah. It's kind of what we're covering here is the tornado threat here. Yeah, the definition of a supercell is a rotating thunderstorm. There's a threat for rotating thunderstorms today. Let's see. Lady says, sending prayers out to everyone. Brace me to storm. I'm going to go under my bed now. All right. Good night, lady. Be careful out there, all right? Like I said, if you have any questions, yeah, feel free to join the live stream. I'm going to be live as long as I physically can. It's already 2 a.m. Like I said, I got up at like 6 this morning, so I'm a little tired, but I'm going to push through as long as possible, okay? Man, I just got my sleep schedule back in order, too. And, of course, the storm, Mother Nature's like, yeah, screw your sleep schedule, man. It's ridiculous. Gotta love it. I mean, nature always throws a lot of unexpected surprises our way. This being one of them. See, Sewing says, I'm probably the oldest here. I don't know about that, Sewing. You'd be surprised. YouTube... actually shows you the age group, which is pretty interesting. And I've actually had viewers that were in their 80s watch me, according to YouTube status. I don't know. See, I think it's bow shaped. What, the line? The line's not bow shaped. It's just a linear line. I mean, it has a little wiggle in the line there, but. Let's see. John says I'm 26. Cool. Pretty neat. Let's check up on South Florida here, all. Yeah, like I said, there's a lot more stronger storms down in South Florida. We're gonna pull up a live camera actually from South Florida. Whoa. See, Naples camera. Actually, we're gonna do this. Camera's in the right or top right. Yeah, it's out there in Naples right now. Doesn't look like a whole lot's going on. Yeah, that storm crossed through Naples. Yeah, storm crossed through Naples, so they've already got most of that heavy precipitation. It looks like it's still a little rainy out there, though. A little windy, too. Not surprising, honestly. All right, let's see. I'm going to try a different camera. We're going to hop back here for a minute. So storm right now. Could try to find a camera out there by Boca Raton. Let's see. Got quite a few of them out there, actually. So yeah, let's load this one. There's a good one by Boca Raton. No, honestly, Catman, I don't really care if members or anybody uses cuss words, but I'm not going to because I want to personally keep it family friendly. I mean, the chat is not necessarily a family friendly thing, to be honest with you, but I am going to keep it family friendly. I really. Whoa, dude! Oh my golly! Did you guys see that? Dude, did the camera go out too? Wow. Dude, that was ridiculous, man. Holy cow. I think we lost that camera. I think we lost that camera there. Wow. That road is a highway exit ramp. You could only go left or right when you exit. Gotcha. No, that's not a rule. That's TRG's rule. Nah, but like I said, it's fine if you guys do it, but I'm not going to on this channel anyways. On my gaming channel, it might be a little different. I'm gonna go ahead and say that now. My gaming channel is kind of like 13 plus, but the weather channel here is mostly for everybody. Dude, I think it knocked down that camera. I'm pretty sure it did. Let's see. We're going to try a different camera here, maybe. That was actually pretty crazy, though. Wow. Another high resolution. Okay, yeah, we're going to keep that up there, dude. That was actually pretty crazy. So that was a pretty interesting strike. Glad I got that one, man. Shoot. Let's see. Family-friendly lightning. Oh, yeah. See, I-95. This is... it looks like there's quite a bit of lightning on this. Let's see. Where did I pick this camera from, actually? I forgot. We're going to reset it. Hold on. West Palm Beach. That's where it was. I want to check on Fort Lauderdale, actually. Because there's that little shrimpy cell just off the coast of Fort Lauderdale. Let's try this guy. See how it goes. Yeah, it seems like the I-95 cameras are pretty good, actually. See, so I mixed up the rules. Oh, you're good, Cat, man. Don't worry about it. You're good, man. Dude, it's getting a little windy. We're gonna full screen this camera for a minute, y'all. Yeah, look at that. Look at those palm trees down there. Can you not see my mouse? You can't see my mouse here. That's really weird. Here, let's do this. There you go. Right down here. Yeah, you can kind of see those palm trees rolling. What's up, SWXLXLXLXLXAXMXS? Hope you're doing good, man. Let's see. Can't sleep, so I'm back. What's up, Court? Just got back sweat. homemade candy from the freezer? What? Who puts candy in the freezer? Honestly, though. I've never heard of somebody putting candy in the freezer. Is that just me? Like, am I don't know. Anyways, let's see here. But yeah, the line's still out there. Let's see, how far is that line now? From the coast of St. Petersburg. Let's see, about 44 miles. Still a little ways. But, you know, like I said, we got to keep an eye out there for some of these guys too. Like I said, one's ahead of it. I feel like the line hasn't moved much to the golf, but keep checking it too much. Yeah, if you look at it too much, it won't move. Just like if you watch a clock, it won't change. But, you know. No, I've noticed it moving, though. I mean, you can go back on my stream about an hour ago, and you'll see it's moved quite a bit. She's doing something. Let's see. What about this? Ooh, 38-mile-per-hour wind gust buoy in the Tampa Bay. Oh, what is the chat turned into? Talking about ADHD and medicine. Oh my gosh, dude. Just gonna hop back over here real quickly. Uh-oh. Oh, wait. This is a weather prediction center. I just got a mesoscale discussion. I thought it was from the SPC, but it was actually the WPC. I thought it was going to be like a potential for a severe thunderstorm watch or something. Or, sorry, tornado watch. Wow, dude. They just updated the day 2 outlook. Look at that marginal risk there. No tornadoes. Hail? Or, sorry, no hail. Winds. Gotcha. See, the day 1 valid. Slight risk. Interesting. Look at the clock waiting, see if it's going to go any faster. Yeah, that won't work there, Catman. Yeah, no, we need to really start, though. Like I said, we need to start really paying attention to the south. Here, we're going to go back here for actually a minute. Oh, first of all, I do want to update you guys on the power outages real quickly. So last time we checked, we were at 28,000. It's at 110. Let's see, 201, 31,000. Nearly 32,000 people without 32,000 people without power right now in Florida. It seems like some of them have been recovered in Hamilton County, but more people have lost them than repaired them. So we're starting to lose. But yeah, 31,000 people right now. Let's see. Yeah, I don't know either, Catman. Not sure. See, Sarasota, 49-mile-per-hour wind gusts here still. So it's still gusting pretty heavy. St. Petersburg, 36 out there. Let's see here. Fort Lauderdale, 25, 31. So mid-20s to lower 30s in terms of wind gusts out there. Let's see. Live stream until 6 a.m. Yeah, no. Yeah, no. I've been up since like 6 a.m. last night, or this morning, I should say, or yesterday morning. So don't think I'm gonna be live that long, but I'm gonna try to be live for a little bit. What's up, Scott? Still cracking up. It's funny. I just thought I'd tell her, like, shoot, it's been doing that for a long time now. See, it looks like the rain in North Orlando. Would that end a 20 threat? No, Shane. No. So what's happening right now is that, yeah, most of the rainfall, the heavy stuff, has already moved out, but we're getting a little frontal system right here, and that's going to be working its way to the east here, and that's what's going to drive that tornado threat there. So tornado threat's really not until, like, this morning, essentially. It's a morning threat, actually. 24-hour stream one? Yeah, no thanks. Longest stream I did was 14 hours, I believe. That was back in like 21. That was a crazy stream. Never doing that again. I can tell you that. That was nuts, dude. Absolutely nuts. From soon as the storms popped off to as soon as the storms ended, I was live. Once that line moves through, it should clear out. Yeah, it should. Yeah, but that's not gonna happen though until like later down in time. Let's see. How is Florida's Big Bend area? Pretty good right now. Yeah, I think you guys are not gonna have that much of a tornado concern, considering the low is gonna be passing mostly over the Big Bend. It looks like just a lot of rainfall, honestly. See, it looks like the rain has cooled down in Lake County. Yeah, a lot of the rain in central southern Florida has cooled down, but now it's starting to become kind of isolated, as you can tell. And once it goes isolated, like it's starting to do, that's when it becomes more of a hazard for tornadoes. So that's what we got to look out there for. So, yeah, we'll definitely keep an eye out there for that. All right, guys. I tell you what, I am going to go ahead over here to another 10-minute break, or sorry, 5-minute break here. Not that long, but yeah, just take a minute to stretch. Like I said, if I'm going to be up here kind of late, especially being up after almost 24 hours, I'm a little tired. If I'm going to be up, I'm going to have to take some breaks. So we're going to go ahead and roll into a 5-minute break. Don't worry, though. I'm going to keep the cameras up. I'm going to keep the, everything up here. So oh, wow, traffic. I'm going to keep the cameras up and all of that fun stuff. So we'll go ahead and switch on over here. But yeah, like I said, guys, hang tight for a minute. Grab yourself a snack. Grab yourself something to eat real quick. We'll have a countdown. Obviously, you guys will be up to date whenever, whenever things. Oh, wow. Sarasota, 52-mile-per-hour wind gust just got reported out there. Pretty crazy. But all right, guys. Yeah, give me 5 minutes. Going to go ahead and stretch real quickly, and we shall be right back. All right, guys. Catch you all in a minute. All right, y'all, we're back. What y'all talking about? What's up, guys? Welcome back. Had to take a quick little breather there. Man, you gotta have a little bit of fun with these events, man. I mean, it can't just be all depressing. You gotta lift the spirits a little bit. Hope you're doing good, guys. Like I said, we're picking back up where we left off here. Still watching storms. Yeah, big clearing throughout Central Florida right now. Not a whole lot going on, so maybe grab a quick little nap here. Just make sure you have a way to receive warnings. What I say? I'm awake again. I fell asleep, says Christy. Well, welcome back, Christy. Let's see. Yo, what? All right, let's see. We're going to check on those wind gusts here. West Palm Beach. Wow, dude, that's the biggest one yet. 58 mile per hour wind gusts. Dude, that's nearing damaging. That's nearing damaging winds there. It's crazy. See, Sarasota, 49. Dude, yeah, 58, though. That's got to pop up on the radar here soon. Let's go ahead and hop back over here. Actually, we're going to camera that. There you go. Is the clearing going to allow for the line to be more discreet? Not the... but it may actually help some supercells develop in the region later on tonight. Or this morning, I should say. Yeah. Let's see. It's windy. Where's she at in Florida? It's not hailing in Florida right now. I can tell you that one. It's a little too warm for the hail. Let's see, ooh, we got a new special marine warning out there for West Palm Beach, Lake Worth. Let's see, Boynton, Gulfstream, those areas there. Sirens in the neighborhood woke me up. Why are they launching sirens right now? Yeah, there's a 52 mile per hour wind gust in Sarasota. They haven't popped up that one that we've seen yet in West Palm Beach. Yeah, apparently got pretty crazy out there. Ooh, hold on, we got a little baby supercell out here. Look at this cute little guy. Little blob. Yeah, it's got a wow, this thing's got some rotation on it, I can tell you that one. This line can't really be discreet with a bunch of buddies attached to it, pretty much. I mean, considering it's a whole line of storms, it's kind of not discreet. Let's see, got some, ooh. Yeah, there's definitely some gusty ones on that. Landon says, what's Miami, Florida getting? Rain. And more rain. Nah, but we're getting some pretty gusty winds out there. Let's see, Miami right now, about 30 mile per hour wind gusts out right there. Sustained around 15 knots. So it's like basically it's like 20 mile an hour winds sustained. So it's a little gusty. Not a whole lot though regarding like supercells and stuff like that right now. Just kind of scattered showers. Not a whole lot. Got a darn... love it when you get a bug bite. It's another thing about Florida, y'all. Got mosquitoes. County sirens? The what is that, Christy? Anyway, that's... Huh. Let's see. What radar am I on? Okay, here we go. Yeah, honestly, though, you can see a really big clear spot here in Central Florida, which is good. Good for the storms. It's good for now because it's calm. Got like 5 mosquito bites walking into the car. Yeah. I always call them mosquitoes. Let's see. 43, gusting to 43 knots, which is 52 miles an hour. That line's getting closer and closer. Look at that. It's actually, see, earlier it was like, what, 45 miles off the coast of St. Pete? Let's see where it's at now. Hold on. Yeah, it's about 35 miles now. Let's see. If you allow some, the people are less compelled to use it. That's true. It's very true. Absolutely. We're gonna hop up to Jacksonville for a minute, y'all. Just gonna check on the precipitation up here. It's a lot of moderate rainfall. Pretty good amounts of rainfall popping out there. Let's see, St. Augustine looks pretty daggone heavy. Wow, dude, those winds starting to pick up on that camera, man. See that? Look at the. First of all, the camera's shaking, but look at the trees too. Yeah, that wind's starting to pick up. That's out there in, I believe, wait, wasn't that Miami? I forgot where this camera was at. Let's see. No, Fort Lauderdale. Fort Lauderdale. Let's see, West Palm Beach is where the strongest winds are reported here recently. Let's see. Let's hop over to that. I guess that, yeah, that camera's probably not working. Let's try this one. Wow, dude, that's like the sharpest camera I've seen on a webcam. Look at that pole, dude. That pole is moving. What do I think of the band left going into Tampa, Sarasota? So yeah, that's the one we're looking at. That line. Yeah, that's gonna be possible threat for tornadoes. We'll see how that materializes. Yeah, it's just amazing how clear that camera is. I'm not gonna lie, for a traffic camera, dude, straight up out of the 2010s. Meanwhile, most of these are straight up from the 1980s. Crazy, crazy. Let's see. It's the 95 cameras, man. They're pretty good. Let's try this one. Oh, the white ones, they're just photos. The green ones are the live video ones. Ooh, that looks a little interesting. Look at the clouds back there. It's kind of gets cut off there. Let me do this then. Yeah, look at that. Look at the clouds back there, y'all. Shoot. Let's see. How many tornadoes have we seen yet? As of now, none, because like I said, the event's just starting to pop off here. Yeah, like so, you know, with this line that's approaching the coast here, this is what we need to look out there for, this guy. And also, like I said, these supercells down south, that one's starting to pull a little hook shape on it. Yeah, we need to look out for that one. Yeah, like I said, the event's just starting the pop off. It's gonna be a late event. That's unfortunate though, that it's late time. You know, late event, I should say. My radar died on me. Come on. Come on. Let's see, close. That sucks. Here, let me go ahead and bring up my radar. There we go. Yeah, but we're going to need to pull up that radar here. Let's see, we're going to hop down to Miami, KMX here. Good news is it looks like that cell is kind of just oh, forgot to start pulling the data. Kind of mostly in rural areas, so that's good. There it is right there. Dude, I hate this color table, man. I hate it. You know what? I'm gonna grab a better color table. I am. I'm tired of this thing, dude. We're gonna need a better color table. Hold on. But yeah, no, we should watch out for those cells. Also, look at that guy. One just off the coast of Hillsborough Beach. Yeah, that one's actually rotating a bit. This is one of the more tame chats I've seen. Oh, they can get pretty crazy, trust me. Let's see. Holy cow, we're getting like 5 inches of rain reports coming in from the Big Bend of Florida here. Crazy, crazy. What was I doing? Oh, color table. That's right. Yeah, let me grab another color table. Hold on. Yeah, the one I have is garbage. I think this is the base one actually. Here we go. Color tables. Where are you at? Where are you at? Where are you at? There we go. Velocity. Velocity. Oh my gosh. Slow Wi-Fi, dude. This Wi-Fi is going to be the death of me, man. Oh, that's nice. I like that one. Free download. No virus. Guaranteed. Alright. Let's see here. Color table. Color table. Let's see here. Downloads. What do you mean? Oh, here we go. Whoops. Did I even do anything? Did that even do anything? It's not the best, honestly. It's a little more clear, but I think I'm going to change up the colors here, actually. Yeah, let's do this one instead. Hold on, y'all. Trying to make this a little more easier to read, you know. Come on. Oh, that's right. Hello? Didn't even change. It's not even changing. Color table settings, base velocity. Is it new base velocity maybe? Shut up. Oh, there it is. Duh. Yeah, that's better. That's a lot better. Let's see. Flooding could definitely be an issue. Yeah, it is. It is an issue. Let's see. We're gonna. Oh, is my microphone's like dying. There we go. What was I talking about? Oh yeah, let's hop over here. So we did get some reports here a little bit ago, up in the Big Bend area of Florida. Cross city, 4 inches of rainfall, 4 inches of rainfall, 5 inches of rainfall, 5, 4, 4, 3.1. Good amount of rain out there for sure. And it's likely still not done yet either. Let's see. Do I think there's a water spout ongoing near Deerfield Beach? Let's see. Oh, wow. Yeah, that's on that one supercell. That's actually right where I'm looking at right here. I do, actually. I think it's a good possibility. There's definitely some rotation there, just off the coast of Deerfield Beach. It's also got a bit of a hook there, too. Yeah, good possibility, actually. People don't believe in soap anymore. What? Soap? Dude. Ooh. Yeah, let's also keep out an eye for this guy. Oh, yeah, that was that one discrete cell. So I'm saying, man, even these little shrimpy boys can pop off a tornado before you know it. Let's see. It won't quit raining. Yeah, it's definitely been coming down all day long, and it will continue for a while, too. It quit for me for now, which is good. Yeah, dude, I like my new velocity table. That's much better. Let's see. Oh, yeah. Christie. I know what you mean. Let's see. Downloading. Come on, Tampa radar. There we go. Ooh. Is that a new cell? Maybe? Got a little something out there by St. Petersburg. Keeping on it. Dude, I love this new color table. So much better. So much better. Why does it kind of have like a sandy beach vibe? You know, we got like the blue water. Or is that just me? Yeah, I don't see too much on that line right now, honestly. Bunch of showers. Not too much. Cape Coral, though, a bit of a storm rolling through. We don't have a radar. Like I said, we need a radar down by Cape Coral, actually. Be pretty useful. Yep, there's still a little bit of rotation out there by Boca Raton. East of Deerfield. Yeah, Deerfield Beach. Possible water spout. The Amazing Friend Circus says hi. What's up? Are we doing good? Alright, let's check up on the wind speeds out there by Boca Raton. Let's see, 31 mile an hour wind gusts. Pretty good. 38, so lower to upper 30 wind gusts out there. Little gusty. Oh my gosh, dude. Look at this little shrimpy boy. This thing's popping off again. Dude, that thing's got a hook on it. Oh, wow, dude. Honestly? That storm might have tornado potential, actually. I mean, look at that thing. Pretty isolated. Small storm, but honestly, they can still drop at this size. Yeah, a little bit of rotation there according to velocity. Yeah, I'd keep an eye on that for sure. Seems like it's been curving a bit too with the latest scan, so it looks like it's growing that tail more, which is interesting. Yeah. Catman says, I swear these kids now be interesting, considering you are one. Haha. Roasted. Okay, let's see. Yeah, look, reflectivity is definitely hooked a bit more. They might pull a warning on that, actually. We'll see. We shall see. Yeah, it is a hook, James. Definitely got a little bit of hooky motion on it. Let's see, do we have any cameras out here? It's mostly rural. So it's a little hard to tell. Oh, you know what? We might actually. I think we do. Interesting. I think we do have cameras out here, actually. Let's see. But where we're at. Maybe, I don't know how far. Maybe this one. Pretty bad camera here. Are they like all the same cameras? Oh, there we go. Okay. It's about the closest I can get to that storm there. Hold on, water. Hold on a minute. I'm really gonna try to find this. Whoa, what's going on here? Sideways rainfall. Holy cow, dude, that thing's hooking really good now. That's directly west of Fort Lauderdale. There's Fort Lauderdale directly west here. Yeah, rotation on velocity too. We'll see. We'll see what they do. I mean, they might issue a tornado warning. Still unsure. Still unsure. See, Amazing Friend Circus has new sub. Thank you. Appreciate it. Oh, what? What the heck, Catman? Looks like that thing might be trying to occlude itself. Oh my gosh, what's going on here? Oh. My chair caught my mouse cord. Do I need to run my mouse through? But it looks like that hook is occluding. Could be the end of its career. Never know. Mother Nature does some freaky stuff, man. Freaky stuff. So a little bit of something. Let's see here. Let's hop back up here a little bit to Cape Coral. So we're gonna go to Tampa radar. Yeah, Tampa's the best radar for Cape Coral. It looks like. Bunch of Pineland looks like here. We're gonna hop cameras over there actually. St. James City, wherever that's at. See Cape Coral. Okay. Okay. Pineland. Where's Pineland? Oh, there we go. Pineland's right here. There we go. That's weird. Oh, wow, dude. Look at that sky. Look at that. Here, full screen that for a minute. Oh, man. Pretty dark. That's just the top of the camera, by the way. Try another guy. Not really good. That's the one we were just looking at, I'm pretty sure. Just rain. We did see that good lightning flash earlier. Oh, speaking of, there's a little flash there. Let's see. Can I bring you guys back over here for a minute? Sarasota, 49 mile an hour wind gusts out there, but that was at 153, so it still was a while ago. Still, that's pretty hefty. Orlando, 32 mile per hour wind gusts out there. Lakeland, 25. Winter Haven, 30. A little gusty. Kissimmee, 28. So not too crazy out there, but it is a little interesting. Honestly, though, that line is breaking up a lot. Could be a good thing, actually. Oh. Is that hook? Oh, yeah, that hook is totally occluded. Yeah, it's not hooking anymore. Interesting. I might need some coffee. Yeah. It's definitely getting I'm really tired. Yeah, we've been live for if you add up all of the streams that went through, we've been live for about 2.5 hours, plus the hour live stream earlier today, so about 3.5 hours of streaming today. A little tired, considering I woke up almost 24 hours ago, which. Oh my gosh, dude, what's going on with all these winds? Dude, Tampa's wind barbs, according to Medar data, is showing 70 knots of southwesterlies. I don't trust that because they're all the same too. 81, 80. Well, never mind. How it? Oh wait, hold on. Wait, what? 84. 84 sustained, gusting to 76 miles an hour. How does that make sense? How can your gust be under your sustained? What the heck, dude? Yeah, I don't trust those Medar data reports. Anyways. All right. All right, guys. We're going to take a 10-minute break here. I need a few more minutes to myself. So, you guys, y'all hang out for a minute. We'll keep the radar, we'll keep everything up here for you guys. Just give me like 10 minutes, y'all. Gotta lay down for a second. I'm not gonna fall asleep, I promise you. Let's see. Are those winds higher in the atmosphere? No, those are weather station reports. No, those are like on surface, like reports. I think they're just bad calibrated winds, honestly. All right, guys. We'll be back in 10. So grab yourself more snacks, grab yourself more whatever, and we shall return. All right, guys. Be back here in a minute. All right, y'all, we're back. Oh, shoot, we just got a severe thunderstorm warning, too. Holy cow. Perfect timing, guys. What's up? Got crazy chat tonight, I tell you. But anyways, let's see what's going on here, my friends. We got a severe thunderstorm warning for areas north of Cape Coral. Wow, that was a big flash of lightning. Let's see, South Punta Gorda Heights and Punta Gorda is included here. Burnt Store Marina. Okay. Let's see. Severe thunderstorm warning in place here for 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts out there. Keep it out there for it. I think we're all sleep deprived. Yep, I agree. Even me. Absolutely. Oh, shoot. I did not want to do that. Yeah, no, we got a severe thunderstorm warning. Ooh, something trying to hook too. Oh, shoot. That thing has a little bit of rotation on it. Did they put a toward possible on it? They did not. We should still keep an eye out there for that. Let's see. Finally have a severe thunderstorm warning. Yeah. Yeah, we do. Yeah, man, it's like I said, it's those supercells that are starting to work inland. Tampa, for some reason, is still pulling now 4 MEDAR stations of 70-mile-an-hour winds. Let me hop over. I just want to make sure. I'm going to hop over to Tampa real quickly, right where those weather reports were, just to see how windy it is. I don't think it's that windy, obviously. Let's try this camera here. Here, we're going to do this for you. Does not look like 70-mile-an-hour winds to me. Dude, you guys are crazy in the chat, man. Oh my gosh. Yeah, but I don't think those are real reports coming through. But anyways, dude, that storm is trying to hook those. So honestly, guys out there by Punta Gorda Heights area should definitely monitor this here. We'll definitely keep it out there for it because, you know, it looks like we have a little bit of a tail on here, which, you know, is a little bit of hook potential. And on velocity, it looks like there is a little mesocyclone there. So it looks like we might be getting a little bit of rotation popping off with the storm here. So just make sure you guys are prepared. I'm going to pull up a live camera from that region. Pretty sure we have a lot of cameras throughout Florida here, so that's good. Let's see, Punta Gorda, south of Tampa. There we go, Punta Gorda. Punta Gorda. Wait, where's? Hold on. South. I am trying to figure out exactly where we're looking for. Hold on. Bear with me, you guys. See that little channel. Okay. Oh, here we go. It's like right in here should be a good camera. Oh, look at this preview. Oh my gosh, look at that preview, bro. Is that a lightning strike or something? Oh, I think I just saw something. Oh wait, no, that's a tower with a flashing light. Never mind. The what? The heck was that, dude? The warning's there for 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts. I don't know if I mentioned that or not. Dude. Honestly, would be surprised though if they were, considering that. Yeah, that it's. Wow. Let's try. Let's see. Fountain pools. Where's that at? CP. Bear with me, y'all. Oh, here we go. Found that area. Okay, cool. So one of these cameras is like the best we should go off of. Yeah. Let's see. Am I still wide awake? Nope. I think that camera's down. Let's one right next to it, though. Let's grab this guy. Yeah, this might be the best camera to look at here. I'm going to put that there. Oh, yeah. Good amount of lightning on that. So that's like right in the path of that that little tail we were talking about there, that area of possible rotation. It's going to cross right over that area there. So keep an eye on it. Like I was saying, yeah, severe thunderstorm warning in place here for Punta Gorda, Charlotte Park, Cleveland, wow, South Punta Gorda Heights, those regions out there. So just be careful. Be careful out there. Let's see. 10 miles from me. I'll take the heads up. Secure my dog. She hates thunder. Gotcha. Gotcha. Yeah, dude, look at these lightning strikes here. Ready? Probably Mother Nature 3. Oh, shoot. I should have started at 1, man. Oh, man. Yeah, close enough. 3, 2, 1. Now. Stream delay, you know. Oh, shoot. Just one tornado warning. Yep. There it is. Holy cow. Yeah, we just got a tornado warning on it, guys. First tornado warning of the event here. Here we go. Tornado warning for Port Charlotte, Punta Gorda area for the next 31 minutes. 31 minutes heading out there towards Arcadia as well. Should keep an eye out there for. I knew, like I said, I knew there was a bit of rotation on that. The good news is that camera we have is right in the path of it. So if this thing does drop a tornado, we shall... Oh, hold on a minute. That rotation's kind of going right towards Punta Gorda and Charlotte Park, it looks like. My boyfriend has family in the Punta Gorda surrounding. Okay, well, let him know. Let him know. Yeah, this is starting to get a little hectic, guys. See, nothing on correlation coefficient, but yeah, that's tracking right towards Charlotte Park area in Punta Gorda. Yeah, definitely is starting to amplify here. Yeah, there you go. There's those prefrontals coming off of that cold front there that we have going on right now. Shoot. Yeah, dude, that lightning's getting pretty crazy too. Let's see. Yeah, there's your rotation right there. It looks like it's starting to tighten up. Let me pull up a different camera here. Hold on. Punta Gorda, Charlotte Park. It's going to be going right by those areas here. I think this might be your best option for the camera here. If it's actually up and running, that's the thing. Hold on. Yeah, we're gonna bring you over here for a minute, y'all. So yeah, Charlotte Park area. That's where that tornado is heading towards, or you know, the tornado warning or the tornado would be heading towards. It's going right over the Charlotte Harbor right now. It's gonna be crossing back into going through Charlotte Park. So keep it out there for that Punta Gorda area. Be careful. And also areas out like there, you know, by like see Solana should definitely keep it out there for that as well. So we'll have to definitely be on the lookout there for that. Let's see here, we got this camera view here. Looks like it is a little windy out there too. But yeah, once again, guys, tornado warning. First tornado warning here for Florida. First tornado warning of the event, I should say. Really. Yeah, let's go ahead and full screen this. There we go. Yeah, that wind is definitely hitting pretty good. Wow, dude. I mean, winds out there are already up to 30 miles an hour, it looks like, according to MEDAR data there. Logan says, looks like something on correlation coefficient. Not on my end. Not on my end yet. Definitely there is rotation right there. So, yeah, once again, guys, Charlotte Park, you guys better be in your shelters now. There is no basements in Florida, so central interior portion of your home. Put as many walls between yourself and the outside as possible. So be careful out there, my friends. Also, like I said, Charlotte Park, Punta Gorda, Cleveland, Harbor Heights. Make sure you guys are in your safe spots there. Okay. Yep. So definitely got to be on the lookout there for that storm there. Right at 3 o'clock too, man. Right around 3 o'clock is when it started. Let's see. Tornado warning started getting issued. Starting to look like things are trying to organize. Yep. Let's see. Jacqueline says what? Where in Kissimmee? No, this is not Kissimmee. This is Punta Gorda. Kissimmee is right here, kind of clear. So you're far away from it. Yeah, I'm actually a little closer to that, but still, good 40, 50 miles from me. So I'm good. But yeah, so like I said, guys, just please be careful. Punta Gorda, even Hall. Let's see here. Fort Ogden is in the warning here. No Caddy. I think that's probably how you pronounce that. Maybe. See Cleveland, Harbor Heights, Charlotte Harbor, Salina, Punta Gorda, Charlotte Park. See nothing on CC. Rotation might be trying to die off here, which is good. We'll just have to keep an eye on it. It looks like that has been included. Yeah, for your safety, get to your shelter, okay? Let's see. Stay safe, Andrew, and all the full difference. Thank you, Kayla. Appreciate it. See, I'm actually going to open up another radar here, guys. We're going to open up a second radar, and I'm gonna pull down to Miami here actually, because yeah, we had a couple of the supercells out there by Miami area too, so we'll keep that up there and running. Let's go ahead and start polling data here. KAMX here. So yeah, not a lot for Miami itself, but we do have that little shrimpy cell we should keep an eye out there for. It's been kind of rotating on and off here for a little bit. But the main concern is that tornado warning there. Let's see. Steady rain here in Champion Gates, Florida. Yeah. It's raining quite a bit. Yeah, a lot of it's becoming more isolated now, rather than specifically, just solid rainfall. Let's go and remove that there. Here you go. Okay, so once again, y'all, Punta Gorda, Charlotte Park, Cleveland, Fort Ogden, Hall, No Caddy, I think it's the name of it, South Punta Gorda Heights as well. Make sure you guys are in your safe spots. Once again, stay away from windows. Go to the central most interior portion of your home. A bit of rotations out there by Charlotte Park right now. A little bit of rotation out there is right near Charlotte Park right now. Just going from the harbor inland now. So keep that one in mind there. Yeah, there likely wouldn't be anything on correlation coefficient right now either, considering, I mean, even if there was one that was on, there's no debris being picked up on radar. So, but nothing yet, but we'll keep an eye on it. But yeah, once again, Charlotte Park rotation's getting closer to that region there. Punta Gorda to follow, Salina, maybe. Let's see here, Cleveland, Harbor Heights, Charlotte Harbor, Port Charlotte, Fort Ogden, Hall, and No Caddy here. So we'll have to keep it out there for that. So be careful, guys. Be careful. Let's see here. Palm Coast reported flooding. Palm Coast Fire Department reported over 1 foot of water over Barrington Drive in Palm Coast, Florida. Starting to get a lot of flooding reports, too. Let's see here. Latest we got here is, let's see, flooding report, 5.4 inches of rainfall south of Palm Coast. 48-mile-per-hour winds out there. A lot of buoys. Sarasota, 52-mile-per-hour wind gusts being reported. We never got... Definitely, it looks like there was a little bit of rotation there. It might be improving, though. Could be improving, so that's good. Just keep an eye on it. You know, like I said, just for your safety, just go to your safe spot for a little bit until this is lifted. Which, by the way, the warning expires here. Let's see, at 3:30 Eastern. So what? 22 minutes. 22 minutes. Let's see. Yeah, that's crazy, Jess, though, that you didn't get that notification. It's good that you heard it here, you know? Let's see, correlation coefficient, nothing there. Very interesting. Very interesting cell structure for sure. All right, let's hop back to Miami for a minute. See what's going on out there. Not a whole lot, just a bunch of scattered storms out there. Let's try dropping south of the Keys. Yeah, not a whole lot off the Keys either. Just a bunch of scattered showers popping through, so not too much. Street flooding going on more than 3 hours ago. Wow. Solely says NW, well, why can't everybody have or just build a dome home? Tornado can't touch it. Yeah. I'll push you on the climate block eye of the storm now. I am allowed to do it. Okay. I think it's turned into a big T, it looks like. Honestly, that rotation doesn't really look like it's rotating that much anymore, but still for safety purposes, should still remain in your shelter just until that warning goes through, or until it gives up here, I should say. Yeah. What radar am I using? I am using the KTBW radar in Tampa. Let's see. Jess says, No's phone's gone off at her house. Weird. Thank you for your live coverage. No problem, Jess. You're very welcome. Like I said, we're here for you. So it's late. It's late for me. Well, I guess we're in the same time zone, Eastern time. Shoot, yeah, we've been live for over 3 hours today. Well, actually, over 4 hours if you count the earlier live stream today too. So it's been quite a hectic day. Yeah, but it looks like that rotation is kind of bled out, which is good. Yeah, I think that cell's gonna die out, hopefully. Oh, now Tampa doesn't have 70-mile-an-hour winds, according to those METAR stations. Yeah, none of them actually. That's good. Filtered out those bad wind stations there. Sarasota, though, getting some pretty strong winds actually. Yeah, dude, rotation's gone on my end. Out of the Tampa radar, which is about 4,000 feet up. Let's see. Guys, I'm probably going to head off here once this tornado warning gets canceled. I'm not going to lie. I'm starting to kind of lose my first of all, my sanity. Second of all, I'm starting to kind of get a little tired and a little sleepy. So I've been up for over 24, or right around 24 hours now. About 22. Let's see. Don't do it. Internet. Is my internet acting up again? I didn't get any notifications. Let's see. Yeah, last issues was 3 hours ago. Florida says, thank you for your coverage. I'm right under that warning. Punta Gorda. No problem. No problem, my friend. So you're very welcome. Like I said, we're going to be here until it gets canceled. Like I said, we've been live for, total, if you don't count my Wi-Fi cutting me out on my first stream, about 3 hours of coverage. So, and like I said, it's getting really, really early or really late. For a second. Gotcha. Out here in Hudson seems kind of fun, standing outside. Winds are cool me off at night. Yeah. Yeah, it's not too bad. Oh, there's our 75 knot, 84 mile an hour wind. Oh, here comes all the crazy ones again. Oh, we actually have a MEDAR station right in that storm there, too. Let's see, about 15 knots. Okay, I mean, that might be your Wi-Fi, dude. Because mine's not. Well, you know, yeah, it might be mine, actually. It's loading things slow. I don't know. We'll see, man. Let's see. Oh, dude. Yeah, like I said, though, I don't see any more rotation in that storm. But, you know, once again, for your safety, just make sure that you are still in your shelters. Like, once again, you're safe to come out of your shelter at 3:30. So in about 15 minutes. About 15 minutes we have to go. Let's do an update on the power outages, too. Last update we did was at 2:01. It's now 3:14. Last time we checked, 31,000, almost 32,000 without power, and now 23. What? So apparently we restored a lot of power. Nice, good. Let's see here. Mesoscale discussion, or sorry, mesoanalysis. Yeah. Yep, pressure's now down in the 990s, y'all. Oh, severe thunderstorm warning just got canceled. Yeah, and that the yellow severe thunderstorm warning and the special marine warning in the blue, kind of turquoise, or whatever color that is, got canceled. Tornado warning still in effect, though. Still holding that for a little bit. But, yeah, the storm's kind of occluded. Don't see any rotation in it right now, which is good. Let's see. Hastings, State Road 207. Hastings reported to be flooded. About 4 inches of rain on the road. Let's see. Palm Coast, 1 foot of water over the road. Wow. 46 mile per hour wind gusts out there by Jacksonville reported. Stream's been running great on my end. Good. Glad to hear it. Yeah, it was probably just what you call it, either YouTube or whatever. Let's see. Star Sparkle says, "How do I give a donation?" So we have Venmo. It's, you see that little on the chat there, the little pop down thing. We have a Venmo. It's at NWW116. Or we have a Cash App here, which is Andrew13155. It's right here. If you see that little pin message up top in the chat, click on that. It'll extend down. You can see that. Let's see. Yeah, there's also super chat there too. You can hit that dollar button too. Let's see. All right, we're gonna hop back down to Miami here. Oops, wrong radar. There we go. So Keys, the Keys right now, a few showers off to the west here of Key West. Not any problems right now. Let's see. Yeah, Miami's looking pretty good too as of now. A few showers to the east, but yeah, up to the north out there, but like West Palm Beach Gardens, Jupiter, Juno Beach area. Been out there for it. What do I think of the cells over Palm Beach County? Is that the one we were just looking at? Palm Beach area? Yeah, so right now, with the radar, let's actually grab this. We have a terminal radar nearby, so that's pretty good. Let's go ahead and grab data from that terminal. Ooh. Oh, wow. Look at that. It's a bit of a supercell right there near Palm Beach. That little guy right there. Look at that. So you can see the wrapping. Wow. Keep an eye out there for that. I think tomorrow could be an interesting setup. Yeah, we'll see how that plays out. Models have instability being a little interesting out there. Wow, dude. Yeah, but Palm Beach there. Yeah, we should keep an eye on that one. Starting to get that outbound development too. See, 3:30 a.m. So we got 12 more minutes on that 120 warning, guys. Can someone explain millibars? So sea level, average sea level is 1,013 millibars. See. How could I really? I don't know really how I can explain millibars. Same thing as HPA. But 1,013 is average sea level. High pressure would be considered over 1,013. Low pressure would be considered kind of under that. This low pressure system is in the upper 990s, which that is kind of a modest, kind of, low mid-end cyclone. Category 5 hurricanes and stuff like that at the end of the scale can go as low as like, even the 800s sometimes. Just kind of give you a range, essentially. It's a little hard to kind of actually teach that, honestly. Yeah, we're going to keep an eye on that storm there for a little bit. Let's see, we'll keep an eye on it. Yep. Oh, there you go. Tornado warning just got canceled. All right, you guys are good. To my friends, you guys out there. To you guys in Charlotte Park, Punta Gorda, Cleveland, Fort Ogden Hall, see No Caddy, let's see, South Punta Gorda Heights, Port Charlotte. You guys are good. Cleveland, good to come out of your shelters. Tornado warning's been canceled, so you should be good. Let's see, reflectivity here. Wow, it looks like that one storm out there by Palm Beach and West Palm Beach, a little bit of a hook on that. Pretty small. Wouldn't be surprised if we had water spouts on that. Let's see. Learned chemistry last semester. Forgot to explain mechanics. Honestly, understandable. Yeah, but that's one of the cells we should probably keep an eye out there for. It looks like it's developing that outbound winds too. So the blue is the air that's kind of moving towards the radar. So pretty much this way, kind of moving towards the radar. The red is moving away from radar. So you can see the air is moving over the radar here. That red is showing that the winds are moving kind of to the right here since it's moving away from the radar, and the blue is showing it moving kind of to the west and a little bit to the north. So a little bit of rotation out there by Palm Beach, out of that little micro cell popping through. Even got a little bit of a small hook on it. It's a noodle storm. It's a big noodle. Chrissy says, thank you, Andrew. I have used background noise just in case we get anything. No problem. Millibars are pressure, so instead of actual height, millibars are air pressure. So yeah. Yeah, altitude can also be depicted with pressure. But not all the time is it constant. Wow, dude, look at that little noodle. Thing's interesting, man. Quite an interesting little shrimpy guy. I don't know, man. Dude, I think there could be something trying to form on that, dude. Right on that tail, you see that? Could be a bit of maybe a water spout on that, possibly. Yeah. Definitely keep an eye on that one. Little baby shrimpy. Festival in Madrid just had crazy weather. Stage fell down. Wow. That's crazy. Hopefully everyone's all right. Okay, we're clear on warnings now, guys. We're good. Pressure now is down to 998 millibars in the core of that low pressure. When we started, I think it was like 1,006, I'm pretty sure. It's pretty high, or higher, I should say. I can honestly feel the pressure dropping a bit. You might think I'm weird for that, but I can actually feel the pressure dropping. It's different. Look at that hook, dude. Let's see. Velocity. Wow. Dude, there very well could be a water spout on that, honestly. Lacey says thank you, no problem. GWG says hello, what's up? Hope you're doing good. Yeah, but just keep an eye on it if you're out there by Riviera Beach, Lake Park, Juno Beach area. Let's see. Gonna hop back to Tampa radar for a minute. Yeah, the line is kind of, kind of died out a bit, which is good news. It's definitely not strong. Yeah. Surprised they don't at least have a special marine warning on this, honestly. Let's see. Feel pressure drop too, yeah. See, that's 5 miles away from me. I'm inland. Gotcha, Roman. Stay safe, man. Let's see. Riviera Beach, gotcha. Oh yeah, dude, that storm's right next to you. Yeah, so you're like right in here, huh? Right in that area. So that little shrimpy guy is right next to you. So yeah, you can see there's a bit of rotation on it, just off the coast. Like I said, I think there could be some water spouts on this thing right now. It's a good possibility. Good news, though, is that this thing should pass to your north. You can see Riviera Beach here. See how it's just kind of, it's literally riding parallel to the coast here. Which if it continues on the track, which more than likely it will, shouldn't go on land. Shouldn't go on land. So, should be good. Should be good. Let's see. Yeah, but the good news is that one tornado warning is now canceled, so no more warnings. Yay. For now. But, all right, y'all. Well, yeah, we're getting close to our 3-hour mark. Actually, we've been live over 3 hours. Considering the first stream cut out like 15 minutes, so we've been live for about 3 hours and 15 minutes or so. Plus with that 1 hour live stream we did earlier today, too, for an update, so... Got a lot of live time in today, which is good. Tomorrow, I'm going to go live as well. I'm just going to get off here because I'm getting tired. It's 3:30 in the morning. I'm getting sleepy. And you guys, like I said, make sure you have a way to receive warnings. Download a weather app on your phone. Turn on alerts for it. That way, if there is a warning for you, you do get warned. As well as, overall, if you have a weather radio too, that would be amazing. Turn that on and stuff like that. So, but anyways, my friends, like I said, that's gonna wrap it up. I'm sorry. I'd love to continue on for a while more, but I'm getting a little sleepy. I need to go lay down. Probably catch some Z's. So, see here. Roman says, "Have a great night. I'll definitely subscribe." Thanks, man. I appreciate that. Kathy says Charlotte County, Florida, tornado warning. Not anymore. We did have that one tornado warning that was in effect here a little bit ago, not too long ago. But it's now been canceled, so we're good. No warnings in place right now that I'm seeing. Yep, we're good. Let's see. But I appreciate that, Roman. Thanks again, man. And thank all of you guys for joining us today. Really appreciate it. Let's see. Gotta give a shout out. Got to give a shout out here to our supporters. Let's see. We had one supporter today, and that was Dustin coming in with a Tropical Storm membership. Once again, Dustin, thank you so much. Like I said, thank you so much. Captain says thank you. No problem, my friend. So we're gonna be here for you. Yeah, once again, tomorrow I'm gonna be back live again for you guys. So we'll be live tomorrow. But all right, guys. Well, y'all have a wonderful, wonderful rest of your night. Like I said, you guys, please take care. Please be safe out there. Once again, just remember, find a way to receive warnings. Download weather apps. They just look up weather apps on App Store. You can find some. So, Star Sparkle says, I want to donate. You don't have to, Star Sparkle, honestly. You really don't have to. But like I said, if you do want to support us in what we do have our Venmo. That's a way to directly support me because YouTube takes a month to process, unfortunately. But if you want to directly support me, we have a Venmo. It's, like I said, it's an app you guys can download. It's basically a way to transfer money. And it's at NWW116. That is our tag. Or we have Cashapp too, which is Andrew 13155. If you guys do want to support us, and but like I said, y'all don't have to do that. I mean, like I said, you guys just being here and being prepared is all we care about. But all right, you guys. Well, I'm gonna catch some sleep. Like I said, I'm a little tired. Tomorrow, we'll be back live here again for you guys and all that stuff. But yeah, but once again, guys, thank you so much. If we get any donations here tonight, I'll make sure to say thank you in tomorrow's live stream. So that's if I catch any tonight. As we head off here, I will go ahead and give you guys a big shout out in tomorrow's live stream. But all right, you guys. Well, you all have a wonderful rest of your night. Once again, thank you all so much for joining. Much love to you guys. Please be careful out there. Please be safe. And once again, we'll catch you guys here later on today. All right, guys. Stream's going to head off here in a minute and a half. Go ahead and say your final goodbyes to the chat. And all right, guys. Y'all take care. Be safe once again. And we'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace out, my friends. See you later.